Hey, I'm Callie Lewis. You're watching Geek Brief TV. This is Brief 709. The Toy Fair is going on in New York right now, and out of it came a lot of robot news. There are two in particular I'm excited about, and we'll get to that. But first, let's talk Windows Phone 7 series. Windows Phone 7 is Microsoft's new and improved mobile operating system, and it's a dramatic change. It's not like what we've seen before. To start, just look at these buttons. I was reminded of those humongous remotes for grandparents that are this big and have buttons that are this big. Thankfully, once you see the OS in action, the large buttons, well, they just work. The concept of pages we see in phones now is mimicked in Windows Phone 7, but it's more organized. As far as I can tell, you have the one main home screen, then that leads into different headers, whether it be photos, phone, email, Xbox Live, and that's where you see the concept of pages. There's no multitasking functionality, but when you open an application, it remembers the last place you were when you left that application. It's of course integrated with Bing and seems like a very intuitive interface. I'm looking forward to getting my hands on one. We're starting to see more and more USB 3.0 compatible devices. Buffalo just announced the first 4-port USB 3.0 hub that they promise will deliver up to 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds. It'll be backwards compatible and will go on sale next month for $88. Time for robot news. The Aikon 2 robot is a camera and a hand, and its sole purpose in life is to draw people. Aikon 2 takes a picture and starts to sketch. It's really cool to watch. Take a look. If you've been watching Geek Brief for a while, it may remind you of something else you've seen on the show. That was Brief 500, where John P. from Whooper.com cut out a metal sign using a bigger robot, a plasma cutter. The Aikon 2 robot is essentially doing the same thing as the plasma cutter. Load in an image, convert it to line art, and go at it. Pen, torch, paper, steel. Completely safe. You might lose a finger. Let's move from fire and danger to adorably cute. The Quasi from Interbot is a robot that's wirelessly controlled from a tablet PC. The controller can change his eye color, speech, and movements.
Robot parade, robot parade, robots obey what the children say.
Interbot is hoping to offer Quasi for sale as a kid's toy sometime this year. They're going to have to bring the price down from $80,000. Today's brief is brought to you by Squarespace. Squarespace gives you the tools you need to easily build a website without having to know how to code or load in plugins. It's drag and drop. Chris used my discount code GEEK at squarespace.com to build 4paws4ryan.org and saved 12% doing it. You can too, and send me the address when you do. I'm Callie Lewis. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!